Good day, everyone. My name is Masodi Pella, all the way from South Africa, and this is my CS50 Web Project Zero search presentation. In this project, we were required to recreate Google.com's front end, right? Or Google search, rather. I decided to put a little twist on mine. Where you'd normally see the Google logo, you'll see my customized CS50 search logo. And where you'd normally see the Google search button, you'll see my CS50 search button. Of course, part of this project, I had to develop other features, which we will get into later during this presentation. So let's do our first Google search. We'll search up the word Harvard and click the CS50 search button. And what you should see is the results as if I would have searched it on Google. And just to confirm, I've opened up the Google tab here, the actual Google page, and we'll do the same search. We'll search Harvard. And if we've done everything correctly, we should get the exact same search results. The way this project works, the way you're able to do this is by manipulating the information that gets passed into the URL when you submit the buttons, which is pretty cool. We'll try the new feature. We'll try the other feature, which is I'm feeling lucky. If I did this correctly, you should be redirected to Harvard's website. But because of a Google security feature, you'll see there's a redirect notice before it takes us to that page. And you can see the URL here is Harvard University's website. We'll try the actual thing on Google's site as well, just to show how the feature would have played out. Bypassing all the security features. You'll see if I click the I'm feeling lucky button, we are redirected exactly to harvard.edu, which I think is just pretty awesome. Let's go back to our application and try out the next feature, which is image search. Now, when I click here, you'll see a few differences from the initial page. Now you only have one button called search image, and you'll see a little annotation by the CS50 logo, which is reminiscent of Google. If I click search here, we're taken to Google search images results for Harvard, which is the same thing. And I think that's pretty cool. Again, how you do this is by manipulating the URL. Just for kicks, I'll go back here and go to Google's image or images rather search function, and you'll see the same annotation in the logo, and we'll do the same search and we'll compare to see that we've gotten the same results. And there you go. That's the exact same search results as our application. I'll move on to our final feature, which is the advanced search. We were only asked to do these 4 parameters. And just as a quick note, if from any other page of my application you can get to the other pages, so from images you can go back to CS50 search, right? And even from advanced search you can go back to CS50 search and all the more. So the navigation is working perfectly on the application. All right, so let's get into it. We had to design the Google advanced search page and put in all these search conditions, all these words, these exact words or phrase, or this exact words and phrase, any of these words and none of these words. So let's do a quick search. We'll type in here Harvard, Yale, Oxford, and MIT, and let's perform our advanced search. So I think here the interesting thing to notice is what's been entered in the search URL. We have Harvard, Oxford, Yale is in quotation marks, and there's a minus sign before MIT to show that we do not want results containing the word MIT. And then of course here's a look at the URL at the top, and we've just done a Google advanced search essentially. In order to make sure that we've done this correctly, the best way is to go to Google advanced page itself and see. So you'll see here we have the parameters. We have all these parameters. In fact, we didn't need to design this entire page. I'll enter the same search conditions as before, and if I scroll down to the bottom, I should find the advanced search button. Clicking on it should take me to the exact same results as my application. And if you have a look at the search bar, you have the exact same input, Yale in quotation marks, the minus around MIT, which is a great indication that we've done everything correctly. All right, this is awesome. Guys, my name is Masodi Bella, and this has been Search.